Hello, dear students. Good morning. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Today, I will discuss you about English first paper question pattern. Before going to the discussion, I will giving my identity. This is Habib Rahman. I have been working in these institutions for a long time. I am also head of the department. In my last class, I have had given you some information about question patterns. Today, I will give you some ideas the rest of the about the rest of the questions. Okay, look at the board. Question patterns of English past paper. As far as I know, I had given you ideas about past paper questions till question number 5. I completed question number 5. Today I am giving you ideas from question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Look at the board. Question number 6, you will find in question number 6, rearrange. Rearrange. Here, 10 sentence would be said. This sentence would be said as jumbled format. You have to rearrange according to the coherence. Then you must have to make it as a continuous story or paragraph. Then question number 7. Question number 7, it is a question paragraph. Question paragraph. Question paragraph. That means here A, B, C, D and E. 5 questions would be said on a paragraph. First, you have to read these questions and then you may find the clue on which topics you have to write a paragraph. According to these 5 questions, you have to make a paragraph. Paragraph, first you should give a title of the paragraph. Title. Then you have to make a paragraph under this title near about 2000 words into 2000 words, not more than 200 words. You have to complete it. The question number 7. Then question number 8. In question number 8, here you will see a an a story writing. A story writing. Story writing. Some lines from first, some lines would be given from a story. Then you have to complete the story by giving a title. Story writing. Story writing. তোমাদের এখানে কয়েকটি সেন্টেন্স দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে, সেই সেন্টেন্সগুলো পড়ে তোমার বুঝে নিতে হবে যে what is the story. First you have to give a title, then you should complete the story by your own English. But first you must have to write this portion, then you should complete from here. Okay, then question number 9. Question number 9. Email or letter writing. Letter writing. The email may be formal or informal, and also email or letter writing, both writing may be formal or informal. You have to write this email or letter according to the direction of the NCTBT questions. I will discuss elaborately in the next classes about the answering pattern of these questions. Today I am giving you just idea about the questions. Okay, next question number 10. Question number 10, it's a graph or chart or pie chart. Pie chart, sometimes it may be a map. এই পোর্শনটাতে তোমাদের একটা গ্রাফ দেওয়া হতে পারে, অথবা যে কোনো একটা চার্ট দেওয়া হতে পারে, অথবা পাই চার্ট, অথবা একটা ম্যাপের বর্ণনা দেওয়া লাগবে। অর্থাৎ কোশ্চেনে বলে দেওয়া থাকবে যে কিভাবে তোমাদেরকে এটা কমপ্লিট করতে হবে। গ্রাফ, চার্ট অথবা পাই চার্ট অথবা ম্যাপ যেটাই থাকুক, সেটা দেখে আগে পড়বা, পড়ার পর তারপর তোমাকে বুঝে নিতে হবে যে এটা কোন বিষয়ের উপর আমাদের বর্ণনা করতে বলছে, ব্যাখ্যা করতে বলছে, সেই অনুযায়ী তোমরা নিচে ব্যাখ্যা করে দিবা। নেক্সট, লাস্ট কোশ্চেন, ফার্স্ট পেপার ইংলিশ, কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 11. Here, generally a poem from text, from textbook is set. এইখানে তোমাদের মূল বই থেকে, অর্থাৎ টেক্সট বুক থেকে সাধারণত একটা কবিতার অংশবিশেষ বা পুরো কবিতাটাই অনেক সময় দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়, যার সামারি অথবা থিম, সার সংক্ষেপ, মূল বিষয়বস্তু যেটা, সেটা লিখতে হয় উইদিন 3, 4 or 5 sentences. The theme writing or sometimes it may be summary writing. Okay, these are the question pattern of English first paper. Total question number 11, and mark distributions. Here I will give you marks distribution in my next classes. Okay, that's all today. সবাই ভালো থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো। See you again. আল্লাহ হাফেজ।